1/4 teaspoon of pepper, then half a teaspoon of paprika, 3 tablespoon ng mustard. Optional lang tong ating Japanese mayo, 2 tablespoon. Then kung gusto nyo ng medyo spicy, lagyan natin ng sriracha, 2 tablespoon or hot sauce. Then lagyan natin ng salt, 1 tablespoon of honey or 2 tablespoon. So nawaluin lang natin.
Wow. Sarap.
So,
Wow.